Kicker 51PTRTP12 review. Tiny sub, earth-shaking bass that fits anywhere. Ever feel frustrated with your car's weak, tinny bass? Overwhelmed by stock subwoofers that can't handle your favorite tracks? Struggling with bulky, complicated setups that take up your trunk and your patience? Wasted time, limited space, and lackluster audio can turn your daily drive into a disappointment. You need a bass solution that delivers punch without hassle. Crushing music cravings, missed audio impact, and the frustration of trying to fit massive subwoofers in tight spaces. Sound unbearable, right? Every weak beat feels like lost potential. Every muddled track saps the excitement from your ride. When the bass fails, the fun fades, and even short drives become mundane. You deserve a subwoofer that packs power without compromise. Meet the Kicker 51PTRTP12 Powered Down-Firing Subwoofer, a compact powerhouse designed to transform in-car audio. Featuring a 12-inch CompRT subwoofer paired with a passive reFLEX radiator and a built-in 500-watt amp, it delivers deep, chest-thumping bass without requiring tons of space or a separate amplifier. The down-firing design protects the subwoofer while blending seamlessly into your trunk or SUV cargo area. Installation is effortless with included wiring and a remote bass control knob. Users report, "I hooked it up in under 30 minutes, and the bass completely changed my daily drives." Its factory-tuned enclosure ensures optimized sound output, giving you punchy lows, tight response, and clarity across all genres. MDF construction with black carpet finish guarantees durability, while the compact footprint fits snugly even in crowded spaces. Whether upgrading from stock or building a new system, this all-in-one subwoofer makes every song feel alive and immersive. The Kicker 51PTRTP12 doesn't just add bass, it transforms your ride. Imagine low-frequency power that hits hard, clear, and musical, turning every playlist into a concert on wheels. Industry analysts praise its value for performance, noting the 500-watt RMS power, sturdy MDF construction, and down-firing design as key differentiators. Influencers in car audio highlight the plug-and-play simplicity. Perfect first sub or upgrade. Includes everything you need, even the bass remote. Real users echo this sentiment. It hits hard, sounds clean, and fits perfectly in my SUV. The remote knob lets me dial in bass for any song. Another shares, "I can finally feel the music in my chest without drowning out vocals or cluttering my trunk." From rock to hip-hop, electronic to pop, the PTRTP12 delivers precise, impactful lows that rival much larger systems. The enclosure's down-firing layout protects your cargo and creates immersive, room-filling bass without directional limitations. Compact, efficient, and thoughtfully designed, it blends performance, convenience, and durability, making it a must-have for anyone serious about in-car audio. Curious why it's considered a benchmark for powered subs? Listen, feel, and you'll understand. Don't wait. Upgrade your car audio with the Kicker 51PTRTP12 today. Limited stock available. Join thousands of enthusiasts already enjoying deep, powerful bass without complicated setups. Secure yours now and experience music the way it was meant to be felt. Tight, punchy, and earth-shaking. Act fast, seize the chance, and turn every drive into an immersive audio experience. Compact, durable, and all-in-one, this subwoofer delivers premium sound without compromise. Grab yours before it's gone and feel the difference instantly.